The cups have finally come in. We have a Labradoodle, an Old Frogs Never Die, but they do croak. We've got a Dachshund Weenie Dog. We've got a Yorkie Mommy's Little Princess. We've got a Pomeranian. We've got a Schnauzer, a gray Schnauzer here. We've got a Poodle. We've got Rescue, Adopt, Foster, Advocate, Educate, and Love. We've got Hip Hop Anonymous from the Adam Sandler movie, Big Daddy. We've got a Jack Russell. We've got a Pug in a Tie. We've got a Dalmatian with different colored eyes. We've got a Corgi. We've got a Husky with blue eyes. We've got No Monkey Business. And a Basset Hound. Eagle with American flag in red. A Does My Butt Look Big Cocker Spaniel. A Born to Stand Out Chameleon. A Don't Be a Karen Camel. I Need Coffee Angry Kitten. A Deer with American flag in red. I Love You So Much Boxer. German Shepherd that says, "You really think I'm crazy enough to do that? Let's go." A Doberman that says, "Guard Dog on Duty." A hairless cat with two colored eyes. And a jellyfish. These will be found on ClassyCanineCompanions.com, or you can send me a message about them individually. I will be getting them more later. These will run $12 locally around Tahlequah, Oklahoma, or $16 with shipping included.